following mess gig is transmitted at the request of Gamer Venom. Gamer Venom issued a warning for the viewers of Gamer Venom until further notice. A warning and a reminder before we begin. This scenario does contain valid emergency alert system tones. Do not misuse these tones, as this could cause a real activation of the emergency alert system, so please, don't do that. Some content in this video might scare some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Don't blame me for your nightmares. That's on you. Don't steal this video. It's such a stupid thing to do. I'll figure out you did it, and get it taken down. Now enjoy.
Eruption! The world is going to burn!
Heat advisory in effect. The National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory for portions of central Montana, including the Great Falls area. Hot temperatures are expected to develop throughout the day, with afternoon highs reaching the mid to upper 90s SF. Residents are encouraged to drink plenty of water, limit strenuous outdoor activity during the hottest part of the day, check on elderly neighbors, children, and pets. Never leave children or animals unattended inside vehicles. The advisory remains in effect through this evening. This is the National Weather Service. Stay tuned to local media for additional updates. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station, WXJ-43, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 MHz, serving Great Falls and surrounding areas of north-central Montana. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a heat advisory for Cascade County and surrounding areas, effective until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. An unusually strong ridge of high pressure has settled over the region, bringing temperatures well above normal for early July. Afternoon highs between 98 and 103 degrees Fahrenheit are expected, with limited overnight cooling. Residents are encouraged to stay hydrated, limit strenuous outdoor activity during the hottest part of the day, wear lightweight clothing, and check on elderly neighbors, children, and pets. Never leave children or animals unattended inside vehicles. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for the latest forecasts and statements from the National Weather Service. An unusually strong ridge of high pressure has settled over the region, bringing temperatures well above normal for early July. Afternoon highs between 98 and 103 degrees. The following message is transmitted at the request of Cascade County Emergency Management. A fire warning has been issued for the city of Great Falls and nearby areas of Cascade County, effective immediately. Emergency officials have received multiple reports of rapidly developing fires in and around the Great Falls area. At this time, the cause of the fires is unknown, and emergency crews are responding to numerous locations. Residents are urged to avoid areas affected by fire, remain alert for changing conditions, and follow instructions from local authorities. Motorists should stay clear of roads closed by emergency personnel. If you observe smoke or flames approaching your location, be prepared to leave immediately if instructed by emergency officials. Do not interfere with firefighting operations. Stay tuned to local media and official emergency information sources for updates. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a heat advisory for Cascade County and surrounding areas, effective until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.